SpeTool sent me their high-precision router plate to try out. It comes with a quick-release dust collection port to tame a huge problem with routers: the mess. It's crafted from anodized aluminum to drop into most standard router tables. The kit also includes mounting screws and multiple mounting configurations to support a range of routers. These adjustment screws allow for leveling the plate to your table. And this removable starter pin can be used to help you ease into cuts without the need for a fence. For a quick test, I just dropped the router plate into an open space next to my jointer. I think I can use this for a dedicated table for freehand cuts like roundovers. So I'll cut a pocket to fit the router plate with our CNC using some MDF. Now I can drop the plate into the pocket and use the adjustment screws to make it level and flush with the table surface. Let's see how much of a difference the dust hood makes. Having good dust collection makes a huge difference, and the shroud helps to suck away a lot of the mess. For its permanent home, I framed out the left side of my table saw for the new router table. Since this is just a plate without a built-in lift, it's important to have a router with an adjustable base. Let's take the new workstation for a spin. First we'll try it without the dust hood. And now with dust collection. This high-quality router plate from SpeTool is reasonably priced, and it's great for your first router table, or if you're looking for a way to add another router table without taking up a lot of space.